like, comment, subscribe, and share the channel to everybody who can.
Subscribe and channel.
And comment.
Button.
Click that notification bell as well.
Okay, well, it's my mommy.
If it's not good, then you didn't do it.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm going to give you 10 seconds.
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Oh,
6,
no.
5,
No.
4,
Put
3,
your hand down,
2,
Diana. 1. Okay, 2.
1.
Okay, 1. Okay, 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, click a button. Subscribe. Channel is big club. Channel is good button. Oh.
Those two are hilarious. But welcome back. I'm here today with my eldest daughter, and I'm going to be showing you what to do right after you wash the hair. I'm also going to do 2 strand twists. So her hair is freshly washed, and I already have my moisturizer, my oil, and my leave-in conditioner in the hair. Spray it a little with your spray bottle filled with water if it seems to be a little dry. Then proceed to take sections as big or small as you want to and just twist them. This is going to help you to work in sections that's going to make your life so much easier, and of course prevent the hair from being tangled and shrinking and just being much more difficult to work with. Begin in any section that you like by opening the twist. You then want to make smaller sections and use your twist gel to begin your 2 strand twist. I'm going to be using the twist defining cream from As I Am. You want to make sure that the hair is fully saturated. Then you're going to comb through to make sure that it's fully detangled. We're going to split that section into 2 and overlap each section and twist it all the way down to the end. Continue doing this all throughout the head. Now we're just going to smooth out and wipe away any residue that might be on her face and around the hairline. And there you have it, Bouncy 2-strand twist.